Is your Antimalware Scan Interface AMSI apps broken by the Mpoav Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before we dive into the Mpoav library manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the Mpoav library, the Microsoft Protection Antimalware Library. This module manages the unmanaged communication between the localized OS and the Windows Defender engine. It facilitates the real-time scanning of file data links and coordinates the orchestration of malware signature manifests. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official System File Checker tool. Run sfc/scan now in an administrator CMD to ensure Mpoav Library DLL is restored to its original verified state. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Mpoav library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. A quick safety warning: never download files like Mpoav Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for Mpoav Library. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Mpoav Library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.